Hello friends, today I am going to talk about something very important, and all of you might be interested in knowing how to apply for NSS awards. Do you all know that all the NSS program coordinators, NSS program officers and NSS volunteers, you have a very golden opportunity to apply for Government of India National Service Scheme Awards 2020 and 2021. So it's a great opportunity, and Government of India and gives awards to 30 NSS volunteers, 10 program officers and 2 NSS program coordinators can get this award by the none other than the first citizen of India, the Honorable President of India. Oh, it's a great opportunity to all of you to apply for this award. Ladies and gentlemen, what we can do that? So the NSS award carries, each NSS volunteer can get 1 lakh rupee and a certificate and a silver medal. And what about the program officer? Program officer, you can 10 program officers, each one of you can get 2 lakh rupee for your NSS unit and 1,50,000 rupees for the NSS program officer. And besides, you get a certificate and also the NSS, the silver medal. And what about the program coordinators? The program coordinator, the first prize to the program coordinator, 5 lakh rupee, and the second prize to the 3 lakh rupee. So ladies and gentlemen, all the NSS functionaries, it's a great opportunity to all of you to apply for this award. Okay sir, I am interested to apply. What can I do that, and what shall I do in order to apply for this award? Let me tell you what are the conditions for the program officers first. So program officers, and there are certain guidelines given by the Government of India. What are the guidelines? You would be wondering. So please tell us some tips and some guidelines how to apply for the NSS awards. Let me tell you the first guideline in order to criteria or in order to judge your performance. Number one is the plantation, tree plantation. Tree plantation for the 3 years. Now the award is going to be distributed for 2021. So the previous year, what is that? Previous years 1920 and the previous year 1819. So the 3 years consecutively, what you have done on the tree plantation, 2018 19, 2019 20 and 2020 20. All these 3 years you have to show your performance on tree plantation. Okay, tree plantation is done. What is next? The next is the very important, the life saving activity we normally do, the blood donation. So all the 3 years what you have done, what you have done personally, program officers, have you done personally any time the blood donation, or have you organized any size of the program development side, the NSS, the blood donation camps? How many of your volunteers donated? It is also get accounted, ladies and gentlemen. Then health and immunization program, immunization program, medical camps. Then we have awareness program. What kind of awareness program? We have done lot of awareness program, awareness rallies, awareness programs. It may be a health awareness, it may be environment awareness, it may be a educational awareness, legal awareness, human rights awareness, traffic sense awareness. So many awareness program we organize. So all this awareness program. Then we have exclusively the environment awareness like we have to safeguard the nature, water, air and all these things, that we have to take care of that. Then we have a very important thing, ladies and gentlemen, for all the NSS awardees aspire to get the awards. So please keep in mind while preparing your documentation is very important. The first one, awareness program, is we normally do that. So how to document all these things? So whatever, for example, you have done a tree plantation, so you should have a supporting document with 2 or 3 photographs and how many volunteers involved and how many saplings planted. So each and every activity should have 2 or 3 photographs and some supporting document. For example, you might have done the tree plantation program in a village. So you get a certificate from the village leader or village panchayat president or local leader, one certificate stating that you have done the tree plantation, maybe 500 tree plantation with the 120 volunteers or 100 volunteers, 50 volunteers, something like that. So whenever you organize the blood donation camps, blood donation, you can get a certificate from the hospital. So these are then another very important thing, ladies and gentlemen, the Government of India welfare programs. What are the welfare? Ujala Yojana program, that is the BPL families, the below poverty line families. How many of them you can help them to get the LPG connection? And Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana program, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Bima Yojana, that accidental insurance program. Then we have renewable energy program, digital literacy, and we have cashless India, then other awareness program. And besides all these things, you should contribute something for the, what is that? The durable assets creation is very important. Have you done anything durable version? Maybe construction of the toilet, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, under the program construction of the toilet or road repairing, bus shelter, something like that, or the smokeless chula, rainwater harvesting structure, and construction of the school buildings. All these things you can do that. Then besides you have that participation in the national level program. Have you participated in any national level program, state level program, university level program? Then we have any awards, university level awards, directorate level awards. So if you have done or if you have received any such award, that is also calculated for judging your NSS awards, ladies and gentlemen. Then we have POCSO Act. What is that? POCSO Act 2012. That is the prevention of children against the sexual offences. Have you done any awareness program? Then we have the persons with disability program, programs for the disability program. Then we have the programs on the plastic free, the single use plastics awareness program, then adult literacy program, then green village program, then any other significant achievement maybe on road traffic, women empowerment, legal awareness, human rights awareness. So many things you can do that, ladies and gentlemen. These are the main things. So the main thing is that these are the main parameter Government of India, Government of India guidelines. So based on these guidelines, they will evaluate your performance. So whatever you have to do is that you have to compile all the information within 100 pages. 100 pages with the supporting documents and the photograph and all the things, and neatly bind, and you can submit to the university coordinator. The university level selection will be done, then later on state level selection, and finally the national level. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout the India, only 30 NSS volunteers will get the certificate, 10 NSS program officers and 2 NSS program coordinators. A great opportunity, and don't forget that this award is a life-changing award because it is going to be delivered or distributed by the Honorable President of India. So kindly read the guidelines and apply for this great award, and you will be the great person, and you will be valued, and you will be respected by all the people in and around you, in and around your community, in and around your own the place. So it's a great opportunity for all the NSS volunteers. NSS volunteer, suppose you are on volunteer, sir, whether can I apply? Suppose if you are a volunteer in 2020-21 and 2019-20, you should have joined in 2019 as NSS volunteer, 2019-20 year, then 2020-21. This year you should have completed the NSS. If such is the case, you can apply. NSS program officer, if you are served as NSS program officer from 2018 until date, you can apply. And as an NSS program coordinator for the past 5 years, you can apply for this award. It's a great opportunity. Read the instruction carefully and do with all the supporting documents, photographs, and all the very best to all of you, and apply this award before 31st of July is the last date for submission of the awards to the Government of India. So don't miss it. So approach your program officer or approach your program coordinator, get the application and get prepared and submit. Then you may be the one to get the award from the none other than the Honorable President of India. Thank you very much for listening, and more details contact your program officer. Thank you. God bless you all.